So I saw this quote online and it said, your comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing grows there. And a lot of times that's the reason why we not flourishing, because we do not want to be uncomfortable. But you have to be uncomfortable to get to where you want to go to. And this is another entrepreneur tip for you. This is called the courage factor. If you don't have cash, credit, collateral, you need to have some courage or some creativity. That's 5 C's that you can live by right there. Credit, cash flow, collateral, courage, or creativity. So sometimes you got to sacrifice that comfort zone to get to what you want to get to. And the thing is, if you don't make sacrifices for the things that you want, the thing you want will become the sacrifice. You will never reach that thing if you do not be uncomfortable and sacrifice a little bit of stuff to get to it. And sometimes for you that might look like cutting the TV off, stop watching TV all the time. Other people is like going out and drinking and smoking all the time. All you're doing is wasting your time and wasting your life with people who's probably wasting their time and wasting their life. So like I mentioned in one of the other videos, audit your circle, like my guy Haitian CEO would say, and change the circle of people around you so that they can help you and you can help them, and y'all can elevate and grow together. And learn how to make sacrifices. If you don't sacrifice nothing, you will not get nothing. Success is hard. If success was easy, everybody would be successful. But there's only a few people that's successful compared to everybody else who is not, because a few people are willing to sacrifice what the other people will not do. So this is your opportunity. I want you to change the people around you. I want you to make some sacrifices today. What in your life are you willing to give up for the thing that you want to get? And that's what I want you to think about.